Absolutely the most beautiful time of the year. Let's go see if we can make some magic smoke. One of those videos last week, I tried to burn this relay up with 120 volt AC on a 24 volt DC relay. And it didn't work, but the more I think about it, I think, yeah, I just needed more voltage. In the end, you have a fixed resistance on this. It is for 24 volt. The only way you can get more power through it is to boost the voltage. So back here in this, what's now a jungle where we hardly use it anymore, we have a rotary phase converter. And it makes both 233 phase and 480. So here's my 480 volt pigtail that we used to test control panels with. And I know the orange wire is the artificial leg. We don't actually have 3-phase power here. So I should be able to hook this to my red and my black, and we'll see what that does. All right, so I got it very haphazardly hooked up. And I'm gonna turn on the power and start the converter. Well, we just got a little bit of, ooh, okay. Well, there we go. Didn't see that nice magic smoke we generate in there. And there you go. Now I got some good quality magic smoke. And I know some of y'all are like, Tim, that seems really ridiculous. But when you're troubleshooting the machine, which this is for our new machine that we use to simulate brakes, when you pull that out and you actually smell magic smoke and you see that burn and everything, you're like, oh yeah, I've been there. That's the whole point of our training, is to put you right in the place of the training. Speaking of which, this one will be a lot easier. Also got to blow a fuse. That way, when you actually test the fuse on the machine, it does look blown. So tomorrow, I'll take a new relay, slide the cover off of it, put this cover on it. Now there goes the cave dweller leaving. If you haven't seen some of Michael's adventures, you ought to check out his channel.